Hey ladies, it's me again. I just wanted to do a tutorial video on how to upload your catalog to Issuu. So, because 31 provides us the catalog in PDF, but they don't actually give us a version that we can give our customers, like a link or anything like that, for just a catalog, not the website. So a lot of people, like a lot of us consultants, upload it to Issuu, so that way we can send our customers a link. So what you're going to want to do is join Issuu. I'm already joined, so I'm going to log in. Oh boy, hopefully I remember here. Okay, perfect, I remembered. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you're logged in. You're gonna have to add content over here. So let's click on that. And then it's gonna ask you where you want to upload it from. So first you gotta go get the catalog. So we're gonna go to 31 today. 31today.ca. And so you're gonna sign in here. 26143773. Okay, so right on the front page of 31 today, you've got the catalog right here into marketing. Okay, so we're gonna click on that. And then the fall catalog is right here. You're going to want to make sure it's Canada. So you're going to click on the PDF. And then once it's loaded, you see the loading bar up here. You're going to want to download it right here. So press the download button. And of course, I've already got it downloaded like 3 times. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so now let's go back to Issuu. Okay, and you're going to go to your device. Okay, and then I'm going to go to desktop where I saved it. Apparently not, that's not where I saved it. Okay, right here, there we go. So Fall Catalog 2020, open up, and it's going to upload the file. Okay, so while it's uploading, you're going to want to give it a title, right? So 31 Fall Catalog 2020, and then I usually put my group name. Oh, yeah, okay. And then a description, I don't usually put anything in there. And then I can put promotion, as it's a catalog. I can set a back date, but you don't want to do that. It's just keep going, make it simple, right? It's public, yeah. So, and then that is pretty much it for all the little things that you have to fill out. So now it's a waiting game. Hopefully it's pretty fast. And then once it's all done loading, we're gonna push the publish now. And then after it's all done, you're going to have a link, and you can give your customers that link or post it in your group or in your online parties. Okay, so they're just they're uploading, registering, and then validating, and then converting your file. I'm not sure if I think you can press the publish now button, and then like it just saves it, and you can just go do whatever else during this whole process. But I'm just gonna do it with you, see how long it takes. Okay, here it says once the conversion is complete, you can publish your draft. So I guess I lied earlier. Alright, so your file is uploaded and ready to be published. So let's publish this baby. Alrighty, publish now. Okay, so this is your link that you can get whenever you want. So I'll just copy it. And then it asks you if you want to share your publication on platforms. It's just like skip that for now. And then X, and you are good to go. So I think it should appear right away on public profile. Let's see here. Yeah, perfect. There it is. Okay, so yeah, and then you can have all your stuff for all the years that you've been on Issuu. Anyways, okay, hopefully this helped a lot for some of yous. I'm gonna let you go and go upload your new catalog. Okay, ladies? Alright, have a good one. Bye.